ॐ ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं मवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्रीसरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। Today is, right, Tapon Maharaj, Tapon Jayanti actually. Usually it's celebrated on Gita Jayanti day, usually. But the date is December 3rd, Tapon Maharaj's birthday. December 3rd, 1889. 1889. So let's do one shloka of Tapon Ashtak. You all know, I think, right? व्याप्तं जगद्येन चिदात्मभावात् रज्ज्वायता हिर्हि चराचरं यत् सन्न्यस्य सर्वं च सदात्मभावे स्वयं समस्तं च बभूव यस्तु निस्सङ्गनिर्मुक्तिपदं प्रपद्य ब्रह्मात्मभावेन विराजितो यः श्रीसौम्यकाशीशमहेश्वराय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय। Okay. Let's see. Somebody wants to chant quickly. Let's see. 8. 2 of you can chant. Let's see. I should start first part of 8. Do the first part. And Krishnan can do the second part. 8th Anuvaka.
Chandrasekhar, you were breaking a little bit in between.
Can you hear me?
8?
8. Namasomaya. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Clear?
It's still breaking, but I
Oh,
think
is
I
it?
understood. You're talking about 8th Anuvaka, right?
Yeah, yeah.
How much of the 8th Anuvaka do you want me to chant?
Okay, do the full one. Let's see. Do the whole thing.
Okay. The number 8. Okay. Om Namah Somaya cha Rudraya cha Namastamraya cha Runaya cha Namah Shangaya cha Pashupataye cha Nama Ugraya Nama Ugraya cha Bhimaya cha Namo Agre Vadhaya cha Dure Vadhaya cha Namo Antre cha Haniyase cha Namo Vrikshebhyo Harikeshebhyo Namastaraya Namashambhave cha Mayo Bhave cha Namah Shankaraya cha Mayaskaraya cha Namah Shivaya cha Shivataraya cha Namastirthyaya cha Kulyaya cha Namah Varyaya cha Varyaya cha Namah Prataranaya Chottaranaya cha Namah Atargyaya cha Ladyaya cha Namasyashvyaya cha Penyaya cha Namasikatyaya cha Namasikatyaya cha Pravahyaya cha.
Okay. Yeah, Krishnan, continue with the 9th.
Go to the 9th one.
Yeah, go to the 9th one.
Okay. Nama Irinyaya cha Prapathyaya cha Namah Kigum Chilaya cha Kigum Chilaya cha Kigum Chilaya cha Chayanaya cha Namah Kapardine cha Pulastaye cha Namo Goshthyaya cha Gruhyaya cha Namastalpyaya cha Gehyaya cha Namah Katyaya cha Gahwareshtaya cha Namo Hradayaya cha Niveshpyaya cha Namah Pagum Savyaya cha
Namah Pagum.
Namah Pagum Savyaya cha Rajasyaya cha Namah Shushkyaya cha Harityaya cha Namo Lopyaya Cholapyaya cha Namah Urvyaya cha Surmyaya cha Namah Parnyaya cha Parnashadhyaya cha Shabdyaya cha Namo Paguramanaya cha Bhindate cha Namah
Chabhignate cha.
Oh, Namo Paguramanaya cha Bhignate cha Namah Akhidate cha Prakhidate cha Namo Vahkirikebhyo
Namo Vahkirikebhyo.
Namo Vahkirikebhyo Devanagam Hridayebhyo Namo Vikshinakebhyo Namo Vichinvatkebhyo Nama Anirhatebhyo Nama Amivatkebhyaha.
And Nama Akhidate cha Prakhidate cha Namo Vahkirikebhyo. Like, it's good. Give me 1 second. Okay. Does anybody wants to try? Ninth one. Rio, can you hear me? You can hear me, right? Oh, okay, good. Because internet is in issues. Okay. Anybody wants to try ninth one? One person. We'll go to the next one. Quick. No
I
volunteers?
can try.
Try.
नम इरिण्याय च प्रपथ्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नम ऊर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमोपगुरमाणाय चाभिघ्नते च नम आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वः किरीकेभ्यो देवानागुं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नम आनिर्हतेभ्यो नम आमीवत्केभ्यः.
Good. Namo Hradayaya cha. Let's take your time there. Namo Hradayaya cha there. Okay. Pravinaji, do drape up to where we start?
Myself, Chandraji.
Do it.
Drape andhasaspate daridranneelallohita esham purushanam esham pashunam ma bherma romo esham kinchana mamata Yate Rudra Shiva Tanu Shiva
Yate Rudra Shiva Tanu Shiva. Yate.
Yate Rudra Shiva Tanu Shiva Vishvaha Bheshaji Shiva Rudrasya Bheshaji Tayano Mrida Jivase.
So, Shiva Rudrasya Veshaji, right? What was that meaning? He is the physician of the disease for samsara, right? And also the medicine for all the Vishwasya Veshaji, medicine for all afflictions. You remember earlier also this reference came for physician. Where was it? You remember? Anybody? For you know, earlier it came.
Vishak was there.
Yeah. Can you chant that quickly? That mantra.
Adhyavochadad.
Just chant that mantra. Only that mantra.
Just that.
What? Adhyavochadad. Yeah.
Adhyavochadadhi vakta prathamo daivyo Vishak ahigascha sarva anjambayant sarva ascha yatu dhanyaha.
अहीगश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुस्सु मङ्गलः ये चेमागं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेड ईमहे. Right? So what was on Bishak there, right? Prathamo Dhaivyo, and that sloka, that mantra we said it is Kavacha mantra. You remember that Kavacha mantra we said? Which one? Adhyavochadadi Vakta Prathamo Dhaivyo Bishak. Right? Protects us from all afflictions.
So that's not Adityatma Parameshwaraya mantra, Chandrasekharji.
The one later, I think, is
Oh, that's
Adityatmaka.
Asoyasta.
Next
Okay.
one.
Next one. Okay.
Yes, Tram.
The one before that is Kavacha mantra.
From Adyavocha Dadivakta. From there,
Right, right.
Chandraji.
Adhyavochadadi Vakta.
Okay.
Right. Up to Adhyavochadadi Vakta Prathamo Daivyo Bishak Ahigascha Sarvaan Jambayan Sarvaascha Yatu Dhanya. Up to there. That is one mantra.
Okay.
That Devata is Shambhu there only, right? Shambhu Devata. Okay. Let's let's move. Praveen, can't it? Ima. Sure. Okay, let's continue. Let me chant this. या ते रुद्र शिवा तनु शिवा विश्वाः भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजीतया नो मृड जीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रबरामहे मतिम्. So इमागुं रुद्राय इमागुं रुद्राय
इमागुं रुद्राय इमागुं रुद्राय
इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने तवसे कपर्दिने
इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने
तवसे कपर्दिने
तवसे कपर्दिने तवसे कपर्दिने
इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने
इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने
क्षयद्वीराय क्षयद्वीराय
क्षयद्वीराय क्षयद्वीराय
क्षयद्वीराय प्रबरामहे क्षयद्वीराय प्रबरामहे
क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे
प्रभरामहे प्रभरामहे
प्रभरामहे प्रभरामहे
इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिं प्रभरामहे मतिं just do that प्रभरामहे मतिं
प्रभरामहे मतिं
मतिं मतिं
प्रभरामहे मतिं मतिं प्रभरामहे मतिं
इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिं Can you hear me?
You are breaking up a little.
Oh, is it? Okay, again. Can you hear me now? Are you? Continue from the beginning. Imagum Rudra.
इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने महे मतिम् इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिम्
Matim Imagum Rudraya Tavase Kapardine Kshayadviraya Prabharamahe Matim. Oh, I think it's taking time to even change the shift.
Repeat.
Repeat once more.
इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिम्
Again.
इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे
Tavase Kapardine
इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिम्
Yeah. Yatha nashamasadvipade Yatha nashamasadvipade Shamasadvipade Yatha nashamasadvipade
यथा न शमसद्विपदे यथा न शमसद्विपदे
Again.
यथा न शमसद्विपदे
Yatha nashamasadvipade chatushpade chatushpade. Just do chatushpade.
चतुष्पदे
Yatha nashamasadvipade chatushpade
यथा न समसद्विपदे
Yatha nashamasadvipade chatushpade
यथा न समसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे यथा न समसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे
Yeah, yatha, tatha, right? Yatha nashamasad-dvipade chatushpade vishvam pushtam grame vishvam pushtam grame pause grame vishvam pushtam grame pushtam grame. Okay, just do that. Vishvam pushtam grame.
Vishwam pushtam grame. Vishwam pushtam grame. Vishwam pushtam grame.
Yatha nashamasad-dvipade chatushpade vishvam pushtam grame.
Yatha na samasadvipade chatushpade vishwam pushtam grame. Yatha na samasadvipade chatushpade vishwam pushtam grame.
Asminnanaturam. Asminnanaturam.
Asmin nanatam.
Hurry up. Was it me only, or it was all breaking for me? For you also? Others also? Okay, then it's not my problem. I think. Okay. Again,
You both have started breaking.
maybe I need to switch off my video. So what is the solution for this?
We can hear you now, good
Now-
Chandraji.
Yeah, sometimes it is and sometimes it's breaking. Okay. Asminnanaturam.
Asmin nanaturam. Asmin nanaturam.
Yatha nashamasad-dvipade chatushpade vishvam pushtam grame asminnanaturam.
Can you repeat one more time?
Yatha nashamasad-dvipade chatushpade vishvam pushtam grame asminnanaturam.
Yatha na samasadvipade chatushpade vishwam pushtam
Vishvam pushtam grame asminnanaturam.
Vishwam pushtam grame asmin nanaturam. Yatha na samasadvipade chatushpade vishwam pushtam grame asmin nanaturam.
Okay. Ashish, do from Imagam.
Imagam rudraya tavase kapardine shayadviraya prabharamahe matim yatha nashamasad-vipade chatushpade vishwam pushtam grame asminnanaturam.
Because of the pushtam grame it should come. Pushtam grame. Because of the ga.
Okay. Okay, I'll try again. Imagam rudraya tavase kapardine shayadviraya prabharamahe matim yatha nashamasad-vipade chatushpade vishwam pushtam grame asminnanaturam.
It was breaking for me, so I switched off the video. Okay, good. Sunita ji, do once.
इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा नश्यमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा नश्यमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम्
So asmin grame. Grame means in this village. Grama is town, village. Asmin grame. Vishwam pushtam grame asmin anaturam. Anaturam. Let there be no disease, free of disease. So let there be no virus in this village, town, in this universe. Now it is whole world. Now we have to pray for the whole world now. Not just this village, not grama, whole universe, right? Let there be no disease. See, it's one universal prayer we are doing for everybody now. So the Rudram that we chant at home is for everybody also. It affects everybody, right? Yes, asmin grame anaturam, free of disease, anaturam. And for who? Dvipade, to human beings. Dvipade, two-legged, dvipada. Chatushpade, four-legged. So everybody, creatures, all animals, all humans, all animals we are praying for. Dvipade, Chatushpade. Are you?
Sorry, Chandrasekhar, you're breaking a lot there.
Oh, is it?
I think if you talk so long, you are breaking.
Oh, okay. So what was the clear thing that you heard the last from me?
So I heard the Asmin Nanaturam is without any diseases.
Oh, that's
And
it.
then you're talking about the first part of it, and that we lost you there.
Oh, grama. I thought you heard that grama means village. No, the village is one universal village, right? Whole village is affected by this disease. So if you pray, if you do Rudram for yourself at home, it will be for everybody. We are praying for the whole universe. Okay. And for Dvipade, I was saying to Dvipada, two-legged human beings. Chatushpada, animals, four-legged. Chatushpada. So everybody we are praying for. And Prabharamahe, and Matim, mental worship. Prabharamahe, Matim. We are offering Prabharamahe. We are offering worship, Matim, in our mind. Of course, in our mind means you can do Vachika Kriya also. Take Manasa, Vachika, Kaika, anything, any worship. Shantiji, do once. Imagum Rudraya.
Just to add to that, that Dvipade, Chatushpade, I've heard that Dvipade is humans and birds. Most of the birds are two-legged.
Yeah, okay. Sure. Can add that. Basically, everybody is included. Just because we said Dvipade, Chatushpade doesn't mean we are excluding anybody. It means by extension, everybody. Yes. All beings. Yes, correct.
Prabharamahe, what was that? Matim is mind. Prabharamahe, what did you say?
Means we offer worship. Prabharamahe.
Prabharamahe.
Prabharamahe. We specially
And
offer
Kapar-
worship.
Jivta, right?
Chant once. Imagum Rudraya.
Yes. Imagam Rudraya Tavase Kapardine Kshayadviraya Prabharamahe Matim.
Kshayadviraya Prabharamahe Matim.
Kshayadviraya Prabharamahe Matim.
Take your time there. Kshayadviraya प्रभ क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिम. Because of the pra, just hold.
क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा. I'll do from the beginning. इमागं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभराय मतिम्
Prabharamahe.
प्रभरामहे मतिम्. Yes. क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा
न शमसद्विपदे, like that.
यथा न
शमसद्विपदे
शमसद्विपदे यथा न शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम्
Pravina ji, continue. Mrudano rudrotano.
Mridano rudrotano.
Mridano rudrotano.
Mridano rudrotano. Mridano rudrotano.
Mridano rudrotano mayaskridhi.
Mayaskridhi. Mridano rudrotano mayaskridhi.
That mru nice should anudatta. Mridano rudrotano mayaskridhi.
Mridano rudrotano mayaskridhi. Mridano rudrotano mayaskridhi.
Kshayadviraya. Namasa vidhemate.
Namasa vidhemate.
Kshayadviraya namasa vidhemate.
Kshayadviraya namasa vidhemate.
Don't do in no swara, right? Vidhemate, sa vidhemate, no swara. So that vidhemate, I'm hearing that. Sa vidhemate, one line, one straight line. That's it.
Okay.
Do that. Sa vidhemate.
Sa vidhemate.
Sa vidhemate.
Sa vidhemate. Sa vidhemate. Sa vidhemate.
Namasa vidhemate.
Namasa vidhemate. Namasa vidhemate.
Mridano rudrotano mayaskridhi kshayadviraya namasa vidhemate.
Mridano rudrotano mayaskridhi kshayadviraya namasa vidhemate. Mridano rudrotano mayaskridhi क्षयध्वीराय नमसा विधेमते.
See, earlier also we have seen it, same. Earlier Kshayadvira also same swaras in the earlier mantra, right? Kshayadvi, same swara. Kshayadvira means one who eliminates the enemies. It could be internal enemies, external enemies. Kshayadviraya, one who is capable of removing that tendencies, enemy tendencies within us, outside also. Okay. Mridano rudro tano mayaskridhi kshayadviraya namasa vidhemate.
मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृदिक्षयध्वीराय नमसा विधेमते. मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृदिक्षयध्वीराय नमसा विधेमते. यच्चञ्चयोश्च
manurayje
मनुरायजे यच्चञ्चयोश्च मनुरायजे.
यच्चञ्चयोश्च manurayje pita tadashyama tava rudra pranito. Manurayje pita tadashyama pita
तदश्यामा
tava rudra pranito.
तव रुद्र प्रणीतौ.
यच्चञ्चयोश्च manurayje pita tadashyama tava rudra pranito.
यच्चञ्चयोश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रप्रणीतौ. यच्चञ्चयोश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रप्रणीतौ.
मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते. यच्चञ्चयोश्च manurayje पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्र प्रणीतौ.
मृडानो रुद्रो तनो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृदिक्षयध्वीराय नमसा विधेमते. यच्चञ्चयोश्च manurayje पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रप्रणीतौ. मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृदिक्षयध्वीराय नमसा विधेमते. यच्चञ्चयोश्च manurayje पिता तदश्याम पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्र प्रणीतौ.
Krishna, do from the beginning. Imagam.
Imagum rudraya tavaseka pardine chayadviraya prabharamahe matim yathanasham
Yatha. Yatha.
यथानशमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रेतनो
Rudrota. Rudro.
मृडानो रुद्रोतनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्चयोश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदस्याम तव रुद्रप्रणीतौ इमागं रुद्रायत तवसेकपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिं यथानशमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रोतनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्चयोश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रप्रणीतौ
So Manuhu ayaje pita tad ashyama. Ashyama means tad ashyama. May we also gain that happiness that our father Pita. Who is the Pita? He's in Manuhu. Manuhu ayaje. They gained the ultimate happiness. Manu is talking about Manu, the great forefather Manu, right? So just like they gained our Pita. Pita means here not just the immediate father, but our Manu Ayaje. Maybe also again Ashyama Tava Rudra Pranitav. May you be pleased, Pranitav. When you are pleased, maybe also gain that ultimate happiness. Because, right? Manu means that for every Manvantara we call it, right? Manvantaram. In Sankalpa we take, right? What Manvantara is this? In Sankalpa we do, right? Puja. Vaivaswatam. It's called Vaivaswata. So for every so one Manvantara is 71 Chaturyugas. 71 4 yugas, Chaturyugas, right? So that is one full creation, one cycle. So this is 7th Manu. That's in the Sankalpa. Saptame Vaivasvata Manvantare we say, right? So in that the 71 Chaturyugas, ours is now 28th Chaturyuga is going on. So he is the father, Manu. Right? So they gained that happiness. Manu Ayaje gained. Manu, our forefather.
What is the Ashyama again?
Ashyama, maybe also gain. May we gain Ashyama. Tad Ashyama, that happiness. Okay. Ashyama. Kshayadvirayasim. Manu defeats our enemies. O Lord, Rudra. Mruda, make us happy. Mruda. Mruda means give us that happiness. Manurayaje pita tadashama tavarudra pranitu. Yachancha yoscha. Yoho means also again happiness not mixed with sorrow. Because our happiness is always dukkha mishritatvam, they say, right? Dukkha mishrit. Any happiness that we gain is mixed with some. If you think you have a lot of happiness, gain happiness, how much effort went into it? Lot of dukkha. And that too, it will last for a few minutes. So we are asking yocha, that happiness which is not mixed with sorrow, not dukkha mishritatvam, okay, that exists without sorrow, which is of course moksha. Okay. Mridano rudro, that is done. Hichanchayoscha shamasattivadi kshedir. Rudraya tavase, earlier tavase we said kapardine, we know, matted hair. Tavase means when we do tapas, that tavase equal to tapase. Tapas means knowledge. Tapa alochane, that is the meaning of tapas. It comes, tapa is knowledge. So one who has this knowledge. Tapase o Rudra. Prabharamahe matim. Same. Kshedbiraya. Namasa vidhemate. We worship you again. Namasa vidhemate. Yachanchayoscha manuraji pita tadashyama tava Rudra pranito. Mano mahanta mutamano. Sunitaji. Mano mahanta mutamano.
Mano mahantamutamano. Mano mahantamutamano.
Mano mahanta mutamano.
Mano mahantamutamano. Mano mahantamutamano.
Was it clear? Was it breaking or is it good?
No, it's good.
Arbhakam mana.
Arbakam mana. Arbakam mana.
Mano mahanta mutamano. Pause. Little bit of pause. Mano mahanta mutamano. Arbhakam mana.
Mano mahanta mutamano. Arbakam mana. Mano mahanta mutamano. Arbakam mana.
Ukshanta mutamana. Ukshanta mutamana ukshitam. Ukshanta mutamana ukshitam.
Ukshantamutamana ukshitam. Ukshantamutamana ukshitam, something.
Mutamana ukshitam. Mutamana ukshitam.
Mutamana ukshitam. Mutamana ukshitam.
Arbhakam mana ukshanta mutamana ukshitam.
Arbakam mana ukshanta mutamana ukshitam. Arbakam mana ukshanta mutamana ukshitam.
Mano mahanta mutamano. Arbhakam mana ukshanta mutamana ukshitam.
Mano mahanta mutamano. Arbakam mana ukshanta mutamana ukshitam. Mano mahanta mutamano. Arbakam mana ukshanta mutamana
Ukshitam. Continue.
ukshitam.
Mano vadif pitaram. Mano vadif pitaram.
Mano vadif pitaram. Mano vadif pitaram.
Mota mataram.
Mota mataram. Mota mataram.
Mano vadif pitaram. Mota mataram.
Mano vadif pitaram. Mota mataram. Mano vadif pitaram. Mota mataram.
Priyamanas-tanuvo rudraririshah. Priyamanas-tanuvo rudraririshah.
Priyamanas-tanuvo rudraririshah. Priyamanas-tanuvo rudraririshah.
Manovadif pitaram mota mataram priyamanas-tanuvo rudraririshah.
Mano vadif pitaram mota mataram priyamanas-tanuvo rudraririshah. Mano vadif pitaram mota mataram priyamanas-tanuvo rudraririshah.
Pravina Kantaji, can you do this? Mano mahanta mutamano arbhakam mana ukshanta mutamana ukshitam. Mano vadif pitaram mota mataram priyamanas-tanuvo rudra ririshah. You want to try that whole thing?
Mano mahantamutamano arthakam mana akshantamutamana
Ukshanta. Mana ukshanta mutamana ukshitam.
mana ukshantamutamana ukshitam.
And don't end it abruptly. Ukshitam. That sound, it will be nice. Ukshitam. Let it continue. That
Ukshitam.
ah.
Ukshitam.
Hmm.
Mano maha. I'll start from this.
Yeah.
Mano mahantamutamano arthakam mana ukshantamutamana na ukshitam mano
Ukshanta mutamana ukshitam.
ukshantamutamana ukshitam ukshantamutamana ukshitam.
That now let it go nicely up. Swarita is there. So when Swarita is there, little more emphasis has to be given so that when you're chanting from memory, it's easy to remember. Na mana ukshitam. When learning, let it go. Emphasize that.
Ukshantamutamana ukshitam.
Ukshanta mutamana mutamana. Let it come out nicely. That Swarita has to come out.
Ukshantamutamana ukshitam. Ukshantamutamana ukshitam. Mano vadhi. Should I continue?
Continue.
Mano vadhi pitaram mota mataram priya manam nantanuvorud.
Sunita ji, help her.
No. I'm sorry.
Let Sunita ji help you once. Sunita ji, just do that.
Mano mahantamutamano arbakam mana ukshantamutamana ukshitam.
No, the second one, later.
Second one. Mano vadif पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः.
Good. Do that line, Pravinaji.
मानो वदी पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामा नं तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः
प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः. प्रियामानस्तनुवो
प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः
Take your time. Priyamanas-tanuvo, because of the sta, take your time there. Hold. Priyamanas-tanuvo rudraririshah. Ririshah. Take that. Do that. You don't have to end it abruptly. Ririshah.
प्रियमानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः प्रियमानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः.
Shanti, just do this. Mano mahantam utaman.
मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्पकं मानवुक्षन्तमुतमानवुक्षितम्. मानो, I mean next one. Okay. मानो वदीव पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियमानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः. Continue one. मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्पकं मानवुक्षन्तमुतमानवुक्षितम्. मानो वदीव पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियमानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः.
Pravinaji, how can that be made better? Is it good? Amidiji, was it good?
It was good for me, Chandraji.
Okay, fine. Anybody wants any suggestions?
One
Ashish?
thing was that manastanuvo. You said
Okay,
to
okay.
Right.
How does it? How you chant that? Mamadi chant that.
Mataram priya manastanuvo. That nastanuvo, I didn't hear that holding as you said.
Oh, okay.
For that part.
Priyamanas-tanuvo rudraririshah. Yeah, okay. And then this one, arbhakam, arbhak, that ra, it has to come nicely, right? Repa.
Arpakam, arpakam.
Because the repa is a, it is like a half like sickle, right? That means ra comes first. Pra, if it comes next, pra, right? If it is a pra, it is a one slanting, what is it called? Pa.
Oh, ra comes later. For pra, pa comes first and ra
right.
comes. Pra,
So in
ra.
Sanskrit, that sickle.
For here, okay.
Arbhakam, that repa comes first.
R first comes and then ba comes.
Right. Like that. Nicely, it has to nicely come out. Arbhakam means child. So basically, we're asking, don't hurt anybody in the family. Or right? Mahantamutam. Mahantam means our elders. Manu, don't please. Ma naha mahantam utam, and also mano arbhakam, our children, our child. Ukshantam mutamana ukshitam. So ukshantam, Ukshanta means a young boy. Ukshanta, young persons in the family. Please do not hurt. Actually, it is not only hurt, it is our. Later it comes, right? Ukshanta mutamana ukshitam manu avadihi. Do not kill means do not hurt, basically. Do not take hurt or injure, kill. Avadhi. Nobody in the family should be hurt. Child. Ukshitam means child in the womb. Child in the womb. Ukshitam, young man. Ukshantam, arbakam, a child, young child. Nobody should be hurt. We are praying for the family now. Or family. Okay. Ukshantam utamana ukshitam. Mano avadihi. Do not kill. Pitaram, our father. Mataram, our mother. Priyamanas tanuvo. Tanu means what? Tanu. Tanu means?
Mind and manas. Manas
Tanu
is
means body
mind.
only.
Body.
So mind
Tanu
of
is
course,
body. Tanu is body.
Of
Yeah,
course,
yeah.
mind is included if you want. You can have definitely mind is included. Tanu. It is Stula and Sukshma, of course. Stula, Sukshma. If you want, you can include Karana Shariram also. Right? What are the 3 Sharirams we have? Tattva Bodha.
Stula Sukshma Karana.
Okay. If you want to include Karana means you don't have to include it. Stula Sukshma include, fine. Right? Tanu, our dear bodies, because Priyamana Tanu, these dear bodies which are so dear to us, right? So dear, because our attachment. Fine, we are praying, let it, please don't hurt. Even these, our bodies which are so dear to us. Priya means dear. Ririshaha means hurt. Do not hurt. Ma, do not. Ma, that ma is do not. Manas tanuvo rudra ririshaha. Today, anyway, there is no. On Thursdays, we'll do only once Gita on Saturdays. That's what I told. Sorry.
Shruti.
Shruti.
Yeah. Yeah. So we'll continue. Okay. Ashish, do the whole thing once from the beginning. What we did today.
Imagam. Okay. Imagam rudraya tavase kapadine shayat.
That kapardine, that repa has to come because ra is before, right?
Yeah, kapardine. Imagam rudraya tavase kapardine shayadviraya prabharamahe matim yatha nashamasad-vipade chatushpade vishvam pushtangrame asminnanaturam mridano rudrotano mayaskrithi kshayadviraya namasa vidhemate yachanchayoscha manurayaje pita tadashyamatavarudra pranito mano mahantamutamano arhakam manat ukshantamutamana ukshitam mano vadhif pitaram mota mataram priyamanas-tanuvo rudraririshaha.
Pravina, Mohammed, just chant from beginning.
Drape. From
Ah,
there.
Drape.
Okay. Drape Andha
Drape, going down.
Drape Andhasaspate Daridrannilalohita Esham Purushanam Esham Pashunam Ma Bherma Romo Esham Kinchana Mamata Yate Rudra Shiva
Yate Rudra Shiva.
Yate Rudra Shiva Tanu Shiva Vishwaha Bheshaji Shiva Rudrasya Bheshaji Taya No Mrida Jivase Imagam Rudraya Tavase Kapardine Ekshayadviraya Kshayadviraya Prabharamahe Matim.
Kapardine. Just take it more. That Dirgha Swarita. Little bit more.
Okay. Kapardine
Because
Kshayadvi.
ne is Dirgham. Anyway, it is Dirgha. And also Dirgha Swarita is there. So take little bit longer. Kapardine Kshayadviraya Prabharamahe Matim. Do that.
Kapardine Kshayadviraya Prabharamahe Matim. Yatha Nashama Sadvipade Chatushpade Vishvam Pushtang Grame Asminnanaturam Mridano Rudrotan
Mridano Rudrotano.
Mridano Rudrotano Mayaskritik Kshayadviraya Namasa Vidhe Mate Yachanchayoscha Manu Yachanchayoscha Manuraya Je Pita Tadashyama Tava Rudra Pranitau Mano Mahantamutamano Arbhakam Mana Ukshantamutamana Ukshitam Mano Vadhi Pitaram Mota Mataram Priya Manastanu Vorudhrarishaha.
Shantiji. Manasto Ketanaye.
Manastoke tanaye tanaye Manastoke tanaye
Mana Ayushimano.
Mana Ayushimano
Ayushimano.
Ayushimano Ayushimano
Manastoke tanaye mana ayushimano.
Manastoke tana Manastoke tana ye mana ayushimano Ayushimano
Ayushimano go shumano.
Ayushimano Goshumano Goshumano Ayushimano Goshumano.
After that, there is a pause. No, right? Okay. Manastoke tanaye mana ayushimano go shumano ashve shuririsha. अश्वेषु रीरिषः
अश्वेषु रीरिषः अश्वेषु रीरिषः मानस्तोके तनुये मान
तनये
मानस्तोके तनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः
वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो
वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो
वधीर्हविष्मन्तो वधीर्हविष्मन्तो
वधीर्हविष्मन्तो वधीर्हविष्मन्तो
वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधीर्हविष्मन्तो
वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधीर्हविष्मन्तो वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधीर्हविष्मन्तो
वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधीर्हविष्मन्तो
वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधीर्हविष्मन्तो
If it is nice, it will come. That Shanmukasha comes nicely, but that's fine. Okay. Namasa vidhemate.
Namasa vidhemate. Namasa vidhemate.
Veeranmano rudrabhamito vadhirhavishmanto. Namasa vidhemate.
Veeranmano rudrabhamito. Veeranmano rudrabhamito. Veeranmano rudrabhamito bhamito vadhirhavishmanto. Namasa vidheyate vidhemate. Veeranmano rudrabhamito vadhirhavishmanto. Namasa vidhemate.
Manasto ketanaye mana ayushimano goshumano ashveshuririshaha. Veeranmano rudrabhamito vadhirhavishmanto. Namasa vidhemate.
Manasto ketanaye
Manasto ketanaye mana ayushimano.
Manasto ketanaye mana ayushimano goshumano ashveshuririshaha. Veeranmano rudrabhamito vadhirhavishmanto. Namasa vidhemate. तोके तनये मान आयुषी मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान् मानो रुद्रभामितो वधीर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते.
So same thing. We're asking for, again, for the welfare of the whole family and the society also. Ma nahas toke, or progeny. Toka means our grandchildren or progeny. Tanaye, or children. And our ayushi, our longevity. Do not hurt any of these. Manu, Goshu Manu, our cattle, go. Ashveshu, horses. Ririsha means hurt. Do not cause any type of injury, any harm. Ririshaha, Ashvi, to them. Veera, our leaders. We are also playing Veeran Manu to our leaders in the society because they take care of us, right? Veeran Manu Rudra. Bhamitaha means anger. Let there be no anger, because we know we have done certain things in the past, our guilts, our right, our omissions, commissions. But Bhamitaha, don't be angry towards that. And Vadihi, kill. And because of that anger, because we have Havishmantaha. Havis means offerings, right? We do offerings. Havissu. Havishmantaha. We have our offerings in our hands. Right? Havishmantaha. Havishmanto namasa vidhemate. We are praying, vidhema, worshipping you with salutation, namasa. Namasa vidhemate. Bhamitaha vadihi avishmanto. Let there be no anger. Don't use that anger towards us. Because the Lord doesn't have anger anyway. Because it is our omissions and commissions that we think Lord is angry because of our karmas only, right? Our own wrongdoings in the past. Okay. So that is seen as though anger. Okay. Arati namasa vidhemate. Five more minutes. Okay. We can do one more, maybe. Pravinaji, can't it do it? Arate gogna.
Arate gotra.
Arate gogna.
Arate godna.
Arate. The te is Svarita. Arate gogna.
Arate gogna. Arate gogna.
The gna is a little Mahaprana. So gogna. If it becomes Mahaprana, that will be nice. Huh? Arate gogna uta purushagne. Gogna uta purushagne.
Gogna utapu
Purushagne.
Purushagne. Gogna utapurushagne.
Is it? Do you have pu or pu? Is not pu, purusha, right? Purushagne, right?
Purushya.
It is dirgha. Uta purushagne. Utapu rushagne. Arate आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने
Arat.
आरात्ते. Yes, are you getting this?
I'm sorry, I have to send my dog out. She's been.
Okay, okay. Krishna, continue.
Arate Gogna Utapurushagne. Arate Gogna Utapurushagne.
आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय क्षयद्वीराय
Chayadviraya. Chayadviraya.
सुम्नमस्मेते
Sumnamasme. Sumnamasme.
सुम्नमस्मे सुम्नमस्मे
Sumnamasme. Sumnamasme.
सुम्नमस्मेते
Sumnamasmete. Sumnamasmete.
आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मेते अस्तु
Arate Gogna Utapurushagne. Chayadviraya. Sumnamasmete astu. Arate Gogna Utapurushagne. Chayadviraya. Sumnamasmete astu.
रक्षा च नो
Raksha Chano. Raksha Chano.
रक्षा च नो अधि च देव
Raksha Chano. Adhicha Deva. Raksha Chano. Adhicha Deva.
ब्रूह्यदा च न ब्रूह्यदा च न
Bruhyatha Chana. Bruhyatha Chana.
because of that naha visarga and then followed by sha, so ब्रूह्यदा च न शर्मा यच्छ.
That Rma has Swarita, right?
Yeah, Sharma, yeah.
Bruhyatha Chana Sharma Yacha. Bruhyatha Chana Sharma Yacha.
Raksha cha no adhi cha deva bruhyada cha na sharma yacha.
Raksha Chano Adhicha Deva Bruhyatha Chana Sharma Yacha. Raksha Chano Adhicha Deva Bruhyatha Chana Sharma Yacha.
Dvibarha
Dvibarha. Dvibarha. Dvibarha.
Raksha cha no adhi cha deva bruhyada cha na sharma yacha dvibarha.
Raksha Chano Adhicha Deva Bruhyatha Chana Sharma Yacha Dvibarha. रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यथा च नः शर्म यच्च द्विबर्हाः
आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यदा च नः शर्म यच्च द्विबर्हाः
आराते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुमनमस्मते
सुम्नमस्मेते सुम्नमस्मेते
सुम्नमस्मेते सुम्नमस्मेते आराते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव
ब्रूह्यदा च न
रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यथा च नः शर्म यच्च द्विबर्हाः आराते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यथा च नः शर्म यच्च द्विबर्हाः
सुनीता जी do
आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्न
क्षयद्वीराय
क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यदा च नः शर्म यच्च द्विबर्हाः आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यदा च नः शर्म यच्च द्विबर्हाः
Pravina ji do Mohammed ji
आरात्ते घोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव
raksha cha no no should go down
okay रक्षा च नो अधि च देव अधि च देव बृहदा
ब्रूह्यदा ब्रूह्य ब्रूह्यदा ब्रूह्यदा च नः शर्म यच्च द्विबर्हाः
ब्रूह्यदा च नः शर्म यच्च द्विबर्हाः रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यदा च न शर्म यच्च द्विबर्हा. I'll practice, Chandra.
It's okay.
Vibarha.
Shanti ji, do it.
Arate
Arate gogna.
Arate gogna uta purushagne kshayadviraya sum namasme te astu raksha cha no adhi cha deva bruhyata cha nasharma yacha dvi barha. One more.
Do it.
Arate.
Arate. Nicely it should come.
Arate gogna uta purushagne kshayadviraya sum namasme te namasme te astu raksha cha no adhi cha deva bruhyata cha nasharma yacha dvi barha.
Pravina ji, can't it do it?
Te
11th today. Okay, last. I am not watching time. Continue.
Arate gogna Hiraya Sumanmas
No, wait, Hari Om. Can you hear me? Oh, maybe it's the problem there. It's Ravina ji. Did you hear some sound? I don't know. Okay. Can you hear me now? Is everybody okay? Except for
Yeah.
Pravina ji, I think, right? I think hers got frozen.
Like we
Okay.
lost. Yeah.
Okay. Who else didn't do it? Ashish do it. Ashish, did you do?
No. So
The last one.
Arate.
Yeah.
Okay. Arate gogna uta purushagne shayadviraya sum namasme te astu raksha chano adhichade raksha chano adhichadeva bruhyatha chana sharma yacha dvibarha. Did I do that wrong?
Once more. Do it.
Dvibarha. Okay. Arate gogna uta purushagne shayadviraya sundam.
Hari Om. It is not Shaya, Ksha, right? That is a Ka and a Sha, right? It is a Kshayadviraya.
Okay. Arate gogna uta purushagne kshayadviraya sum namasme te astu रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यथा च नश्चर्म यच्च द्विबर्हाः.
Pranaji, next you'll do on Saturday. Okay? You'll practice. Dvibarha means two types of happiness. Here and there. Right? All types of happiness. Increase. May you give? Increase both types. Ultimate happiness and of course happiness we always expect from objects. That also. Okay, please grant. Dvibarha. Okay. We'll see more meaning later. Arat. Arat means close to us. Be close to us. Arat. Sumnama. Sum. Be of a blessing form. Asme. To us. Be of the blessing form. Not the form where Gogna, Purushagna means there. Gna that is there, right? Means do not. That form which hurts or harms our cows, our Purusha, our people, Purushagna, not that form. Or Kshedviraya, her form that hurts our Vira, Kshedvira. But the form Sumnamas Asme, Sumnamam, Sumnam, that blessing, that form which is of blessing, be Astu for us. Be that form. Protect us, Raksha, Raksha, Cha, Naha, us. Adicha, Deva, O Deva, O Rudra. Adi, that Adi and Adi Bruhi, you have to combine. Adi Bruhi. Adi Bruhi means speak in favor of us. Speak in favor. Like we have seen in Kavachavakyam. What was that Kavachavakyam? Remember? We chanted in the beginning. Shanti. Adhyavochadadi. Adhyavochadadi. Adhivakta means they are also same. Speak in favor of us with other gods. Let other gods not harm us. Speak in favor of us. Because you should have the pakshapatam for us. Because we are your bhaktas. Okay. Bruhyada. Adi Bruhi. Bruhyada. Chana Sharma. Happiness. Sharma means both type of happiness. Sharma. Happiness. Both types. Yacha Dvibarhaha. Okay. I think today we took 15 minutes more. Sorry. I hope that's okay. We finished. We covered a lot of questions today, right? So next Saturday we can finish almost this and we can start next one also, I think. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Hari Om. See you on Saturday.
Thank you, Chandraji.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Chandra.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.